Alright, here's video on the turn signals. I know some people have had hyperflashing. These don't hyperflash. They are they just plug right in. You take the stock just take the stock plug off, and these plug right in place over the right in place with the stock plug. You just take the end off of it, it just snaps right off, and then these just snap right into place, just like the factory ones do, both sides. And I show you show you the passenger side first. There you go. No hyperflashing. Not hyperflashing, no codes. And here you go, left side. There you go, left side. No hyperflashing. No resistors. Everything built in. That's what they look like. No codes. There you go. No codes, no anything. See? So, what they are. You can turn them on with the headlights. I got different headlights in now, but that's what they look like with these headlights. There you go.